Yesterday, Bitcoin got a very significant bounce right from the key level, the long setup we gave yesterday in the Casper Crew VIP Discord. And if you saw my video yesterday, you know that we were looking for a move to the downside and then getting a bounce because we were printing at the time a very bullish pattern. The Sam Bankman-Fried uneven man breast bullish pattern that historically always leads to a move to the upside. So now the question is this just a dead cat bounce? Or are we going to see follow through from here? Has Bitcoin bottomed out? We're going to be getting into that in today's video. So make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click that bell for notifications. Leave a comment down below because we are bringing you the most timely and the juiciest Bitcoin updates here on YouTube. So why has Bitcoin gotten this move to the upside? Everybody was getting very, very bearish as Bitcoin was grinding down to the support. For the last week, I've been letting you guys know about this key box saying this is a make it or break it level for Bitcoin. And we were watching our 4-hour time frame to see that we were printing bullish signals as the price was continuing to get lower, namely the Sam Bankman-Fried bullish man boob pattern, where as the price is getting lower into key support, Sam Bankman-Fried's mammary glands are getting higher over time. The money flow is getting higher over time. When we take a look at market Cipher B on the 4-hour, we can clearly see the momentum waves getting higher over time, the money flow getting higher over time. Guys, the last time we saw this pattern print was back June 15th, 2023, right over here. We can see money flow getting higher, momentum waves getting higher over time. This was actually the exact bottom for Bitcoin right over here before the big move to the upside. So we were expecting this move. Is this going to be a significant move to the upside? Now, first of all, huge shout out to the Casper crew who successfully took that long from the bottom setup given in advance right here because of the Sam Bankman-Fried pattern. We have also now taken the long trade from this bottom setup given in advance because of the 4-hour Sam Bankman-Fried pattern. Casper Crew also successfully shorted the exact top of the move setup given in advance. So we are crushing these charts, guys, just by looking at our good friend Sam Bankman-Fried and his mammary glands. By the way, if you want to join the Casper Crew, where every single day we do multiple live streams, we give the levels we're looking for, our potential trade setups, you can go to JaysonCasperTrading.com. Go ahead and click the link to join the Casper Crew VIP Discord right here. It's not a signals group. It's an educational group. I guarantee you're learning a lot. We have a lot of instructors in there. Everyone has their own style of trading. Some of the best traders in the world. Also, if you want to learn and become educated so you can do this with longevity, do it the right way with good risk management, check out the 25% discount on the courses in the description and the pinned comment. You can find the links. Also, if you want to long and short Bitcoin and altcoins over here, I highly recommend you check out my favorite go-to exchange, MEXC, up to a $9,000 deposit bonus, 0% market order fees, 0.01% limit order fees. Actually reverse that. It's a great deal on fees. Absolutely amazing. Links in the pinned comment and description if you're interested. Of course, only sign up for an exchange if you actually know how to trade. Otherwise, you will lose everything you have. So now let's talk about what is going to happen in the future with this Bitcoin move. To the upside, we have to understand that this entire chunk of price action can be looked at as a sideways range where all the way back to June 21st, the market has established the fair value for Bitcoin being in between this volume profile value area, meaning this. Now that the price has broken below this fair value zone, the market is looking to establish a new fair value zone at lower prices. So our first major sign of strength here is going to be a candle close above this blue line. If we can close above 29,700, give or take, then we can look for our next target at 30,300. Then we can look for our next target at around $31,000. It's very, very simple. We're just simply trading from the low to the high. Now, I want to bring your attention locally to what has happened here. Bitcoin has locally changed market structure. What do I mean by that? We were in a very clearly defined downtrend locally. High, low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Now we've made a high that is higher than the previous lower high in the downtrend. What does this mean? This means that there is a very significant chance that we are going to see a reversal down here, given the fact that we've printed such bullish SBF boobies. Okay, so what are we going to be looking for? We are going to be looking for a retracement. If you missed the long trade because you are not in the Casper Crew VIP Discord, you weren't looking at the anatomy of the FTX guy or whatever his name is, Well, there still could be another chance. If we take our Fibonacci retracement from the low to the high, we go ahead and turn on our 786 and our 618 fib, we can see that we have a beautiful potential retest coming in right down here around $29,000, give or take. What does this mean? This means now, if the price is going to come back down for a retest, we can look for a higher low in what could be now the beginning of an uptrend, which would allow us to get into a trade something like this, where we put the stop loss below the low and have our final target up here at the value area high, giving us a beautiful 3-to-1 risk-reward ratio trade setup. Now, of course, as we come down here, what do we want to see? We want to see the money flow continuing to get higher. We want to see trigger waves on Market Cipher B printing on these lower-term time frames, like the 24-minute time frame, stuff like that, right? That's what we want to see. If we don't see that, guys, we have to be aware that the market structure, although locally, as I just said, has changed from bearish to potentially bullish, when we go to the daily time frame, it is undeniably bearish, right? This is undeniably bearish, right? We've got our high, our low, our lower high, our lower low. This could just be a lower high for another lower low, right? So we need to be looking for our confirmations. This is how I trade, right? You need to have an idea in advance, and you need to know exactly what you are looking for. If you see what you are looking for at the level, then you take the trade. If you don't see what you're looking for at the level, you do not take the trade, right? This is how we get into these juicy trades from these exact levels, because we know in advance what we want to see on the chart. This is very, very important. So if we don't see anything bullish here, expect a move to the downside. However, if we can hold 29,000, give or take, I do say that there's a good chance we could see Bitcoin come back up to $31,000 before a major retracement back down to lower prices. All right, guys, that is it for today's video. Let me know what you think about this. Leave a comment down below. Do you think I'm the worst trader in the world? Do you think I'm an idiot? Do you think my armpits smell? Let me know. May God bless you all in the name of Yeshua, Jesus, the Messiah. I hope everybody is super blessed. Even if you are not religious, I still pray you and your family are super blessed. And I'll see everybody in the next video. Peace!